Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 10 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smart band from the iPhone. First we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the iPhone that is paired with our smart band. So tap on the icon to open the app. Actually, let me reopen it like this. Okay, in the application you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon or device icon to open the device page, and here on this page you should see your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now scroll down, find the option called additional settings and tap on it, and here tap on Unpair button, then tap on Unpair button again to confirm. As you can see, we have a pop-up telling us to go to settings, Bluetooth, and remove the device from there. So tap on got it, close the app, go to the settings on your iPhone, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it, and here on the list of my devices you probably will see the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device. Once it's gone from the list of my devices, close the settings, and that's how you unpair the smart band from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.